So if we have an RM bylaw that we're not supposed to have fireworks, this is probably worse, huh?
Well, no, because there's no light show here.
That's true.
How are we looking?
All that is aluminum?
Yeah, aluminum powder. And ammonium nitrate is the other one.
Oh.
So £5 exploding rifle target. And then it'll push it out to the sides of it here. Work this way, I guess. Ways of the whole thing. Looks like an explosive to me. This is why you always fist a hole first. You gotta get in there hard, fist her up. Fuck yeah! Fuck yeah. That's an arm's length. Yeah. Yep, there you go.
Yeah.
Do the hole all pink. Just actually, you can even do it. Yeah, the hole all pink inside. All pink inside the hole. All pink inside the hole. Okay. Yeah. So I gotta aim just a little bit below that X. Yeah. Put one more line, about just a few inches below on each side of it. Horizontally, yeah. Okay. Okay, I got a good idea exactly where I gotta hit now. In between the two. Oh, you're off there.
Alright, shoot anytime you're ready, man.
It didn't do anything.
I don't know, we'll have to see up front.
Looks like it peeled it back a bit, but
Yeah. It absorbed most of it and come out towards us. And where the explosive was, it expanded it out. So if we would have had it right at the middle, it would have did. But we would have needed probably.
could have even had cameras even closer because that thing is.
There's nothing flammable with this after
I guess
Maybe.
not.
It shouldn't. It's such a quick flash. The gasoline light stuff like that. There's not enough heat for it.
It did.
That's awesome.
Can that pick up?
Yeah. Like a vortex. Punched it right out the back. Look at that.
And check out all the air cushions too. It all blew out another hole there. On the side here where it all blew out. Yeah, it kind of stinks.
Oh yeah. Crazy.
Right about here.
See if we find any tape or.
Oh, I found the hole. Oh, nice soft.
Look at that.
Gotta get in there hard, fist her up.
Fuck yeah.